So, ये हमारी ब्यूटीफुल एंड टैलेंटेड एक्ट्रेसेस रिद्धि एंड मोनिका हैं, ये हम हैं न्यूज़ 18 एंड ये हमारी बातचीत एंड पौड़ी चल रही है या सो सबसे पहले बोथ ऑफ यू, ये एकदम अलग तरह का रोल आया कैसे ख्याल कि ये करना है इस रोल को, लाइक दिस इज़ मेड फॉर मी, दिस रोल इज़ मेड फॉर मी, हाउ डिड यू गेट दैट फीलिंग?
Well, when I met with the producers and the writers, that was my first meeting. I was like, oh my gosh, this is my life. Did they write this about me? And then I met the director, and I was offered the role, and I just felt really grateful that something so close to my heart was being made.
Okay, same thing.
So I was waiting, मैं wait कर रही थी, you know, to get an opportunity on the OTT platform where I can show that मैं कर सकती हूँ, you know, I can do all kinds, the same work that I've done a lot of work on television where I've proven myself or I've got opportunities to do a lot, and I wanted to break that unnecessary box that people put you in saying you're a TV actor. I'm an actor. Right. And you give me anything, I'll do it better than I can. So this for me was that opportunity कि you know मुझे मौका मिल रहा है that in every frame I can do so much. I can show that I don't know how it will be received. That's not in my hands, but I know that I wanted to give something my 5,000%.
Like if we talk about the show, अगर show की बात करें, I've seen the first 4 episodes and they are amazing. Trailer is amazing. Like but कुछ fun experience वहाँ का, like when you were doing romantic scenes or something like that, what was the difference? Males के साथ किया है आपने. What about this bond? What was there?
Oh, there were a lot of funny things, honestly. एक तो I have done so many, you know, in television is the boss of doing intimate scenes without any intimacy. Okay, so I know exactly, like from what I've done, I know exactly how to fake it, like how to make it look like it's really intimate and intense, but it's just very, you know, quick. And I used to tell Suhas, touch me like this, and you know, do this, and Suhas will like, and I would like, can I show you what I want? And I would do it on Suhas, and my director would be like, yeah, I want this, and at that time I used to think, I mean, not that, you know, like everyone thinks that TV is not good or whatever, but it really teaches you a lot. So actually the intimate scenes were very easy.
And some fun memory from the set.
One thing I want to say, that we did this kissing scene, her and me.
Okay.
It was, like, even at that time I was thinking about it. We did it at 6 or 7 in the morning after the whole shoot day's work got over. The whole night we finished shoot, and we did it like this.
Oh.
It was like, you know, like, hi, how are you? Kiss, bye, back up. It was, no?
Same experience.
I'm like trying to, which one?
The one.
There were so many. In the car, in the taxi?
No. Oh. Babudi, that, the one.
Oh yeah, but we had to do it twice.
We had to do it twice.
Yeah, we had to do it twice for different reasons. Yeah. I think what was really funny for me to experience was definitely how different we are as actors. I am not somebody who has done tons of TV.
Right.
So, and she's right. The intimate scenes, I almost think of it like choreographing a dance. You know, it's like you touch here first, then you move here first, then you go there. So the whole thing is like taking
very
steps.
technical.
Yeah. So it's not really what you think it would be. But for me as an actor, I really get into the inside of the life and the person. And sometimes I feel like there's no separation between Monica and the character. And then what would happen is we'd both be in it. And Riddhi's really practiced at taking it off. You know, like when she's in the scene, she's really in it. And when it's cut, it's off. And she'll be like, which shoot? Bikini shoot. You know, and then like suddenly.
And she's like, I don't want to see her right now.
Yeah, I couldn't. We were so different. But then I started to like really enjoy that she could help me come out of my depression, basically. She just kept pulling me out, and then now that I've seen the show also, I really feel like there are millions of ways of doing things, and her way is super legit, and I learned so much from it, and my way was also legit, and hopefully she learned something from it. So as people, we balanced each other out. It was really, we would play Antakshari. Sometimes we'd be freezing our butts off like in the middle of winter in Delhi wearing backless.
Why don't we just play Antakshari? A little bit of Antakshari right here.
Let's do that.
Right here, you
Okay.
two. Okay, अब हम लोग खेलेंगे अंताक्षरी with Riddhi and Monica, and let's see. Okay, who'll start? Who'll start?
You.
मुझे को करना है कुछ
Oh my
नहीं।
God,
शुरू
don't
करो
do
अंताक्षरी,
that.
You will
लेके
start.
प्रभु का नाम।
Ma.
Do I really have to sing?
You're the one who said
Spare
we have
me.
to play the game. Ma.
Which one should I sing? I'm blank.
मेरे हाथों में नो चूरियां है, थोड़ा ठहरो सजन मजबूरियां है। हाँ हाय रे हाय, नींद नहीं आए, दिल में तू समाए, आया प्यार भरा मौसम, दीवाना दीवाना।
No.
Oh, hello, you have to sing.
Yeah.
I was trying to escape.
No.
Na 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 re na re na re na 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 re na re na, हमसे न गवा।
ਸਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਰਹੋਗੇ तो ऐश करोगे, जिंदगी दे सारे मजे कैश करोगे, ਸਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ होय होय ਸਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ। Song, man.
That's what I'm telling you. Nobody thinks these things that I actually am.
Okay, थोड़ा सा pause करते हैं. Let's pause ये अंताक्षरी यहाँ पे and we'll just talk about something serious.
Serious journalism. Play Antakshari. But I'm glad we did something fun.
Yeah,
Just
है ना?
something
I
worth
can
watching.
understand. I can understand. But there is one serious
Also,
question
your
for you.
eyes are very pretty.
Yeah, your eyes
Oh
are
my
beautiful.
god, thank you so much. Blushing already. So, like this topic on which the whole show is bold, controversial. लोग कहते हैं कि this topic is chosen इसलिए चुना जाता है so that you know limelight मिले. Message convey करने से ज़्यादा the aim is कि limelight मिले. Is it true?
Not at all. And I don't think it's bold or controversial. I feel it's very real. It's very, very mundane. And I mean, I'm not saying that that's what the show is, but what we're talking about is not something you've not heard before. What I've been saying, what she's saying as characters is not something which, you know, see, we are actors. So when we are going to say lines, we have to do it with believability. It should be, हमें लगना चाहिए कि okay, this is believable. मुझे बहुत, I think, barring शायद कुछ लाइनें मुझे बहुत ऐसा कभी लगा ही नहीं कि दिस इज़ अनबिलीवेबल, मैं ऐसा क्यों बोल रही हूँ, ऐसा क्यों कर रही हूँ. इट ऑलवेज सीम्ड लाइक आई नो समबडी लाइक आस्था. मुझे हमेशा ऐसा लगा कि आस्था है, यू नो, जब सो आई डोंट थिंक इट्स बोल्ड और कॉन्ट्रोवर्शियल. इट्स एक्चुअली वेरी सॉफ्ट एंड वेरी जेंटल एंड इट्स वेरी लाइक you'll be in between these people's thoughts, you know, you'll read between the lines for them.
Yeah.
You'll do it. It's not something we are causing while we're performing.
Yeah, I also think that there's a lens, you know, like this show is about a same-sex relationship, but it's not about a same-sex relationship. It's about two people who fall in love. It's about how crazy you get when you fall in love. It's about living your life according to what everyone says you should do in order to be happy, and suddenly waking up and saying, but I'm not happy. You know, and I think that could be a man's story, a woman's story. It could be it's anybody's story. So that's one thing, you know, that I want to just reinforce to everyone watching.
Okay. Acha, one thing, Monica, because you've been abroad, you've lived abroad. What is the difference, वहाँ की women and Indian women? What is the main difference?
Well, I think different. How do you say it? It's like, I think Indian women are extremely powerful. We carry a lot of shakti, you know, that energy of the earth, of taking care, of creativity. But for whatever reason, somewhere it almost feels like there was a disruption of our nature somewhere. And now we're coming to a time where we're removing that gate, you know, and women are waking up, I think, to the power that has always existed. Like Riddhi keeps saying, this Women's Day, I want to tell women that, you know, they're already empowered. It's not like you need to empower them. But there's something blocking, you know, sometimes you block yourself from yourself, your own power. So somewhere there's that. And I think conversations around privilege are really important. So when you compare the West to the East, or you compare an upbringing in the West to the East, or even an upbringing in Delhi compared to an upbringing in a village, you need to consider privilege. It's not about one person being better than the other. It's that some people have the privilege of more freedoms. And that has to do with money. That has to do with, access. It has to do with so many things. So that's where it's different. Yeah, that's where it's different.
Riddhi, married woman, does that tag, उस tag से क्या कुछ opportunities बंद हो जाती हैं women के लिए?
I don't think so.
In India especially.
I don't think so. I feel like opportunities तब बंद हो जाती हैं अगर आप लोगों के जो blocks हैं या जो लोगों के boxes हैं उन्हें accept कर लें. तब बंद हो जाएंगी. Like I know of people who get married and they say, now I'm married. It's you. No one's really forcing anything. You can be the same person who will say, so what if I'm married? Right. It's a way of thinking, and I really don't think. I mean, some of the people I look up to are, people who are in their 60s, 70s, 80s, still doing so much, and they never stopped. Or even if they did stop, they always got back, went back up. I don't think you should look at your life only like that. It's such a waste of time, to see I'm married, I'm a girl, I'm a student, I'm this. I feel like even youth is, I'm digressing a bit, but I feel like even youth is not just being young. It's a state of mind.
Right.
It's not just this age group, they are youth and they are so smart and they are the hope. No, I feel like people in their 60s and 70s can also be young and they can really move mountains. So I don't think there's anything stopping anybody, whether you're married or you're anything.
Women's Day है and the show is about to be on air and सब लोग ज़रूर देखें. Please say something. बोलिए.
Please watch The Married Woman. बहुत अच्छा शो है. हम तो यही बोलेंगे कि बहुत अच्छा शो है.
बहुत अच्छा शो है.
बहुत अच्छा शो है.
दिल से कह रही हूँ, दिल से.
But it's very real and it's got characters which are probably living around you. आपके पड़ोस में होंगे, आपके घर में होंगे, and these are it's a very honest, and we've tried our best to present a very authentic story. We've all tried our best to remain authentic. She has so many times remained angry after doing a crazy, anger scene, a scene where we are crying, we are really, really crying. We are not doing it because we want to talk about it. We are doing it because so that when aap dekhein, your viewing experience should be real. And that was our only intention. So please give it a shot.
Sure. Okay, तो हम लोग ज़रूर देखेंगे The Married Woman. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया मोनिका, रिद्धि, आप हमारे साथ जुड़े. Thank you.
Thank you.